Okay, so, have you ever wondered why your brain is like the ultimate remote control for your whole body? Like, who decided that thinking about pizza should make your stomach grumble? What part of this squishy walnut is the pizza boss? First off, there's the big wrinkly thing on top, the cerebral cortex. That's the smarty pants layer. It's where you think, plan, talk, and remember where you hid the TV remote last week. Which part of your cortex is in charge when you try not to embarrass yourself at a party? Then under that is the limbic system, the feelings factory. The hippocampus is like your memory librarian. It files away stuff like first kiss or that time Brian stole my sandwich. But what memories do we keep and which ones fade away, and who decides that? Close by is the amygdala, the tiny alarm bell that goes off when you see a spider or someone takes your beer. Why does a tiny almond-shaped chunk get to control fear so much? At the back of your head, you got the occipital lobe, the picture guy. It turns light into images. How do patterns of light become the feeling of seeing Lois across the room? On the sides, temporal lobes handle sounds and some memory. Is music stored differently than facts, and why does the right song catapult you back to junior prom like a time machine? The parietal lobe deals with touch and spatial stuff, knowing where your hand is without looking. How does the brain build a map of your body? Down low, the cerebellum keeps balance and coordination so you don't faceplant every time you try to dance. What goes wrong in there when you suddenly forget how to ride a bike? And deep inside are the basal ganglia, movement regulators and habit makers, and the brainstem, the autopilot that keeps you breathing while you binge TV. Who's really steering the ship, the conscious you, or the crowd of tiny brain parts arguing in the background? So many parts, so many questions. If your brain is running the show, what part gets the final say, and can it be bribed with snacks?